Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm just going to go over some things I learned while I was using Amazon affiliate links. So if anyone ever browsed through YouTube, you sometimes get stuck in that rabbit hole of how to make money on YouTube, how to make money quickly. There's real estate YouTubers, all kinds of things. And you might stumble upon Amazon affiliate links. So everyone makes it sound very easy that anyone can get approved for Amazon affiliate. All you have to do is fill out an application, link your YouTube page in the application, just give them your bank account information, and there you go. So all you have to do is create Amazon affiliate links, post them in the videos, and when people click those links, you make money per transaction, and it varies. It's a few percent here and there. On some items, I think it can even go up to 10%. So you definitely can make money on Amazon affiliate links. But I'm going to tell you guys my experience. So I've been trying to use the Amazon affiliate program for about, the past 6 months. So I watched these videos about 6 months ago, and I thought to myself, I make YouTube videos, might as well put some of these links in my videos. Maybe somebody will, like a product I reviewed, will click the link, and, I'll make a couple dollars here and there. Because as you guys know, on YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers now to make any sort of money. So before, when I was making YouTube videos, I made a few dollars here and there. It wasn't anything big. So when YouTube made this change, it was kind of discouraging. Getting 1,000 subscribers, obviously, some people say it's very easy. For me, it's been very hard. Just getting to 100 subscribers has been very hard for me. So getting back to this Amazon affiliate links. So I thought to myself, I buy products for my cars, bikes, I buy guitars, might as well review them. Maybe somebody will use my link, will purchase, one of these car parts, guitars, and, I'll make a few dollars off of it. And by doing so, I'll, continue providing content. I'll have a couple dollars that I made off that video, and maybe I can reinvest it into the channel. So I created an Amazon affiliate page. So, I added these affiliate links to my existing videos, any product reviews I already done. And to be honest with you guys, I seen sales pretty quickly. So within the first couple weeks, I seen a few sales here and there, which I was super excited. So, I decided to use these links more and, try and take advantage of whatever monetization program I can use, because I can't use the YouTube one. So I kept on seeing these sales roll in, and Amazon tells you in order to stay in the program, you have to sell, I think, 3 qualified products within the first 3 months, which that was actually pretty easy for me. It wasn't a big issue. So I thought to myself, I'm good. Somebody bought 3 products off my links, and, I can continue using this Amazon affiliate program. So one morning, I try and log into my Amazon affiliate page, and it says this email is not associated with an Amazon affiliate page, Amazon Associates page. So I think to myself, what happened? So I go through my email, and it looks like my application has been denied. So what they did is deleted all, sales I had through my Amazon Associates, Amazon Affiliates page. By the way, it used to be called Amazon Affiliate. It's called Amazon Associate now. Sorry if I'm confusing guys with these 2 terms. So I'll just, use these 2 terms interchangeably in this video. But yeah, to get back to it. So they basically denied my application because I didn't have enough subscribers on my YouTube page. So if you do some digging, a lot of these YouTubers that tell you to use Amazon Associates, Amazon affiliate links, don't tell you they have to have 500 subscribers. 500 subscribers isn't like the official number, but on all the forums I've read on about this program, people say 500 is around the number they will approve you on. So I logged into my checking account, and I seen Amazon pay me out for some of the products I did sell through Amazon Associates links. So I thought to myself, at least I made a few dollars off the few products I sold through those links. but they only gave me a portion of it. So they gave me the percentage after products I sold within like the first month or two, but I didn't get anything after that. So in an email you get that you're denied. They tell you that you can create another application. You have to redo all the links you have on your videos, so you have to regenerate all the links. So it takes some work to do that. So I created another page, but this time I included my Facebook page and my Instagram page. So I thought with my Facebook friends and Instagram followers and YouTube subscribers, obviously I'm over 500 if I combine those three. So I thought to myself, I'm good. So fast forward to a couple weeks ago, I get an email from Amazon that says that I've been approved. They started sending me different materials, how I can create my own website that I can direct my followers and subscribers to, that they can shop on, and you're making a percentage off those products they purchase. Excuse me. So I thought to myself, great, so let me log into this Amazon Associates program. I log in and it says the email is not linked to any Amazon Associate or Amazon affiliate page. So I thought to myself, what is going on again? So I emailed Amazon. It took them about 5 days to get back to me. And they told me I've been denied again because I don't have the appropriate content or enough followers or subscribers. Basically like a generic email that I got. So I guess I got denied again. And by accident, they sent me an email saying that I've been approved, which was even a bigger bummer. It got me even more discouraged with Amazon affiliate, Amazon Associates program. So I recreated another page. I did the application process again, but I don't think I'm going to use these links until, my subscriber base, goes up on, on Instagram, my followers on Instagram, or my subscribers on my YouTube page. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video as like an informative video, that if you're a small YouTuber, or you do some associates links, or you try and sell some products through Instagram, if you don't have like 500 followers or 500 subscribers on one of these platforms, most likely they will deny your application. So take those videos that other YouTubers made, that it's super easy, anyone can do it, and that you should do this when you have a small YouTube page, that it's a great way to make income before you make it to that 500 subscriber, the 1,000 subscriber number on YouTube. But no, you have to have 500 subscribers. So I guess you can start using Amazon Associates links at the halfway point. So you'll get the 500 subscribers, and then you'll make it to 1,000 subscribers, and you can monetize through YouTube if you have enough total watch hours over the past 12 months. I think I forgot what the watch hours is to monetize your videos on YouTube. But yeah, I hope you guys found this video useful. Smash that subscribe button if you did, and like this video if anything I said came in handy for you. But yeah, thanks for checking out this video, and be sure to check out my future videos. Thank you.